Hi everybody, I got the bad news to tell you. She she died. She's she's in her cage. Um, yeah, I thought she gonna live. I thought she died. Yeah, wow, crazy ain't it? Your animals pass away. Yeah, it is. It's upside down. Uh, she she died just like almost noon I think noon. She died. Yeah, she died. I thought she gonna make it. Yeah, yesterday. That's what I thought. Look, I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah, she died, look. Yeah, yeah, she passed away. Only this, probably in the afternoon. She, she died. Yeah, I'm gonna bury her over here. Over here. Right there. Bury it. Yeah. So, that's crazy. Uh, she's probably old too. Old. She is. Here's, all babies. They growed up. Yeah, I know. She died, she died real, like, she, yesterday she was moving slow, like, real slow yesterday. Yeah, real slow too. Yeah, it's crazy how animals die. These are, well, that's a joke, how it's just crazy how how it is to life. Mm. When you live, and you die too. Well, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Um, I'll see you later, you guys.